Orca has really upped their game with this one. Welcome to Morphilm Academy. This is the Orca OR-444 3S soundbag harness. Overall, we love it, but we simply can't recommend it for a lot of people. Let's start with the pros. Its main feature is the spinal support system. It's adjustable with the click of a button on this controller and these roller buckles on the waist strap. Both super easy to adjust while wearing the harness. Honestly, it pretty much makes your bag weightless. Also, it's modular, so for lighter setups you can use only the waist or only the vest, and as your kit gets larger you can combine both, and of course use the full system with the spine. The waist strap is actually really nice. Even with a larger bag like this, it's comfortable for several hours. As for the vest, it does put some weight on your shoulders, so much better than just a neck strap, but not ideal for big bags. With the spine, it's super comfortable and you barely feel the bag even after a long day. So overall, it's a great design, and it's definitely light years ahead of the old OR-40 or the 400. Even the details like the breathable mesh with thick foam, sturdy buckles and carabiners, as well as the ease of use of this loop combining both top and middle straps, down to the elastics to get rid of the extra strap length, as well as the quality velcro to hold the spine. This is very well made and thought out. Now for the cons. First, it's a minor problem, but this harness is big. Unless you disassemble it, it's really hard to put back in its carry bag and hard to fit in a lot of cases. We would not recommend it for light ENG setups, unless of course you simply bring the waist strap. Second, and this is why we can't recommend it for a lot of people, the harness is noisy. Yes, a soundbag harness is noisy. The plastic spine is the worst part. As soon as you're shooting a quiet scene inside, it's loud enough to ruin it with even the slightest movement. Also, even without the spine, the fabric itself makes noise. It could still be the best option for long shoot days outside with a big bag, but overall, we find this unacceptable. Let us know if you find a solution for this, because without that noise problem, this could be the best soundbag harness ever made. So, in summary, it's a fantastic design that really works to take the weight off your shoulders. But for us, its flaws make us not use it often, except for long days with a heavy bag outside, which is what we think it was designed for anyway. Orca did come out with the updated OR-445, and the OR-440 is coming soon, so we don't know if they're better yet. Let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching!